Hey everybody, my name is Kristen D. Arp. I'm coming to you with my good friend Peter Waller of Source MN, and we want to invite you to come to Minneapolis, Minnesota, June 5th through the 12th for a UMT. That's an urban ministry training time. We're going to have a day of equipping and activating you in all areas of kingdom outreach, hearing from God, healing the sick, having conversations with people about the gospel where you're like super excited to go talk to people and pray for them like you've never been before. That's June 5th. The rest of the week, all week long, we're going to be hearing from seasoned ministry leaders like Peter here and others working in anti-human trafficking, working with people from all different backgrounds, working with at-risk youth, working with the homeless population. We want to equip and empower you in kingdom outreach as well as expose you what God's doing here in this incredible city, and then come and hit the streets with us. We're going to be doing outreach, we're going to be doing site visits, and then afterwards you can even stay for an extended internship. What's happening here in Minneapolis, Minnesota is impacting the world, and God is bringing a great restoration here, so we want to invite you to come and be a part of it. Tell us more, Peter.
Yes, it's an honor to be a part of this with Source and with Kristen. We're excited because it really brings several streams that we are that are really our loves, and that is the love of the city, the love of the next generation, the love of the body of Christ being involved. 2020, the epicenter of the Minneapolis unrest, has been an area where we've ministered over 25 years. And so these 2 years, we put a lot of energy into help stabilizing, rebuilding, and restoring. We're calling the UMT Restore, because that's a real thing that I believe is on God's heart for right here, right now. So as we do this, it is our honor, and we're excited about giving away just our history, what we see happen. We're going to bring you to a lot of site visits, pastors, other urban leaders that are doing things, kind of looking at what's going on right now and some of the chaos and craziness, and what is the best way to bring Jesus to people amidst this, and to both minister to their trauma, but the ongoing fear that's there as well.
That is so powerful, Peter. You know, Isaiah 58 talks about that we can be restorers of the breach and of streets to dwell in, and just creating cities for people to come home to, and that is what the Lord is doing right here. That's what He's doing in your life, and we want to partner with you who are watching this. If you've had experience in outreach or mission, we want you to come. If you have no experience, we want you to come. The 5th through the 12th of June, we will house you. It will be simple housing, but we will house you. We will feed you. This is a local mission trip opportunity. You can come for the entire week. If you're from the area, you can go home and sleep in your own bed. Still come with us for the whole week. If you work, you can't get off work, you can come and go. There's different training, equipping, and outreach site visit times that will be open to you. And once that ends on the 12th, you can come. We want to invite some of you to come, especially young adults. You're in a season of transition. We have an internship opportunity for you for the next few weeks. Tell us more about that.
So after the week of the Urban Ministry Week, June 5th through the 12th, then we're offering to stay around for 6 more weeks, and then you'll still be involved in training and site visits, but you're going to see more of the day-to-day things, and returning to the same areas, same locations, the encampments, the outreach that we're doing from our food shelf and our urban arts center, that will be ongoing. And so that'll be, the interns that come will be a part of that summer ministry team again that we're really excited about.
Yeah, and I can't think of anybody better to partner with than you, Peter, and
Neither
Source, and what God's doing right here.
Then you
Source has been here for 25 years, giving out just hundreds of pounds of food, just thousands of tons of food here on a regular basis, ministering to people right in this area. During the riots, Peter and other friends of ours were just up all night in prayer, interceding, being a voice out to the world of what was happening. And now we're putting this voice out to you to come and be a part of what God's doing here. Get trained, equipped, and then go out with us, hit the streets with us, love people well with us, and be a part of what the Lord is doing in the restoration of this time in history. So come to UMT, the Urban Ministry Training, come to Restore, June 5th through the 12th. Stay for the internship. All the information is on the link online. Let us know if you have questions, and we hope to see you there.
And 3, 2,